ready for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Keep your legs wide apart and turn your right foot fully to the right and left foot a little bit to the right. So inhale and exhale, bend to the right and keep your right hand on your leg. Or you can go deeper and place your right palm on the floor and look up. Look at the fingertips of your left hand. Breathe deeply. You can place the block here and stay a little bit higher. Try not to bend your legs here. Open your chest here a little bit more. Inhale, come up, and exhale, change your legs and bend to the left side. Look up, stay a bit higher, or place the block. Breathe deeply. Try not to bend your knees here.